these beginnings have caused our attention to solidly turn forward to the shape of politics in our lives and to a set of steady problems. The widening divisions between ideologies, between incomes, the acceleration of time, and the diminishment of public space, the blank hum of media silence, and the possibility that so much protest can do very little. These conditions are bracketed by questions about representation and the circulation and veracity of all that we now call information.
And that's just the part of the statement that we wrote for the show. So we told you guys there was going to be a talk in 10 paragraphs, which sounds really short and kind of delightfully concise. But we lied, mostly just because we counted wrong. So what we're presenting is actually a reading in 12 parts. And we hope that you'll forgive us.